Hi, in this video, we'll be talking about joining strings. We can join strings using the method join. The method join takes the string elements from a sequence and concatenates them using the string as a separator. Here's how we can use it with a string. Here we have our separator, and now our sequence. This is a string. And now we can use it like so. Separator, join, and we pass our sequence to the method. And what we get is this. So here are the elements of our sequence, star, and they are joined together with this separator. And here's how it works with a list. Let's define a different separator, like so. And let's use the separator to join the elements of the following list, 1, 2, 3. So here's our list. Here we have the join method, and here's our separator. So what we get is 1, 2, 3. These elements are joined with this separator. And it also works with a tuple. Have a look. Here we have this string as a separator, and here we have a tuple. Now what we get is 1 and 2 and 3 and go. So these elements again are joined using this separator. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.